Hi all, welcome to Tricks. Today in this video we will learn how states in India are formed and a trick to remember the chronological order of the states that formed after 1956. Article 1 mentions India as a union of states and these states are specified in the first schedule of the constitution. Article 1 mentions India as a union of states and these states are mentioned in the first schedule of the Constitution. Union of states means that India as a union is indestructible. It cannot be destroyed. It cannot be separated. But the units, states are destructible. Means state can be broken apart while states themselves cannot secede from the union. And that is why the word federation is nowhere mentioned in the constitution because the states in India are part of the union which is indestructible. Now, let us understand the process of formation of states in India. Article 3 of Indian Constitution addresses the topic of formation of new states, alteration of areas, boundaries or names of existing states. It says that Parliament may by law can form a new state by separation of territory from any state or by uniting two or more states. It can form new state by separating already existing state into two new units or by joining areas of two states creating a new unit or parts or by uniting any territory to part of any state. It can increase the area of any state, diminish the area of any state and alter the boundaries of any state. So Parliament has the power to create new state, increase the area of state, diminish the area of state and alter the boundaries of state. However, there is a condition that for this purpose, the bill which is to be introduced in Parliament needs to get the recommendation of President. Only then the bill can be introduced in the Parliament. Means that President must give approval to the Parliament before Parliament can introduce that bill in the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. However, this does not mean that the President has got the sole power because it is the cabinet which gives the recommendation or suggests the president to give his recommendation. So the ruling government has the power to change the status of any state. The ruling government or the cabinet suggests the president gives the recommendation to the parliament and parliament then introduces the bill in the house. But there are certain procedures which are to be followed. Let us have a look on that procedure. First of all, Parliament of India can form new states, already learned that, alter the areas, boundaries or names of existing by law passed by a simple majority. This is very important. No special majority is required to change the status of any state. Simple majority means consider that on the day when the bill is introduced and is to be passed, members present out of 545 is 540 while 100 abstains from voting. The majority required then will be 540 minus 100, that is 440 and 50% plus 1 of this 440 will be the majority required to pass that bill. That is called simple majority. The bill is certainly introduced with the recommendation of the President of India. The President of India, however, before introducing the bill in the Parliament, refers it to the concerned state legislature for its opinion within a specified time limit. Now these two are important aspects. First, that President refers to the concerned state legislature and the state legislature has to express its opinion within a specified time limit. This time limit is specified by the President and President can also extend the time limit. If the state legislature expresses its view within this time limit, then Parliament may or may not consider its opinion. Parliament is not bound by the opinion of the state legislature. Even if state legislature does not agree with the division or creation of new state from its territory, then also Parliament can go ahead and pass the bill creating the new state. Also, if the state legislature does not give any opinion within that specified time limit, then also Parliament can move ahead and pass the bill. So you can see that Parliament is not bound by the state legislature's view. And finally, it is not necessary to make fresh reference to the state legislature for its opinion within a specified time limit. Once the President has referred the bill to the state legislature, the work is done. Whether the state legislature is agreeing it to or not is not the concern of Parliament. Now, states and union territories that formed in India after 1956. and a trick to remember all these states in chronological order. Maharashtra and Gujarat in 1960, Dadar and Nagar Haveli 1961, it was ruled by Portuguese. Before that, Goa, Daman and Diu in 1961. Now here, Goa got the status of Union Territory in 1961. Pondicherry in 1962, Nagaland 1963, Haryana and Chandigarh from Punjab in 1966, Himachal Pradesh in 1971, Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya in 1972, Sikkim in 1975, then Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh and Goa. Again Goa in 1987. In 1987 it got full statehood. Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand and Jharkhand in 2000 and Telangana in 2014 became a separate state. To remember all these states and union territories in chronological order, I have made a trick. Now for the states which formed in 2000 and after that, I have not included them in this trick because it is easy to remember them. For rest of the state, the trick is: my great daddy goes daily to pick cherry from the land. Hard for him, but man tries for me as I am sick. From tomorrow, I will go with Ram and Arun. From my Maharashtra, from great Gujarat, from daddy Dadar and Nagar Haveli, from goes Goa. Now either you can skip this word so that you do not confuse with Goa getting the status of Union Territory in 1961 and then statehood in 1987, or you can just remember that first it got the status of Union Territory, so included in the beginning of the trick, and later on again it became a state in 1987. From Delhi, Daman and Diu, DA, from Cherry, Puducherry, from land, Nagaland, from hard, Har, Haryana, from him, Himachal Pradesh, from man, Manipur, from tries, try, Tripura, and from me, Meghalaya. I am sick, from sick, Sikkim. From tomorrow I will go Goa with Ram and Arun. From Ram, Mizoram, and from Arun, Arunachal Pradesh. Goa, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh got full statehood in 1987. Then the three states Uttarakhand, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh became state in 2000, and in 2014 Telangana became a full state. So this was the trick. I hope you like this trick. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.